Hey guys, so welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that has just released on Boost Mobile. So you guys know I like to bring these videos out to you guys, especially as fast as I can. But you know, there's always work and stuff. So let's go ahead and look into it, guys. So if you go to boostmobile.com and you scroll down a little bit, here is actually a really good phone that I might actually have to pick up. It's the Galaxy A13 5G. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it says Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, guys. Pretty cool. I mean, it's crazy, guys. The phone retails for $250. You're saving $150, so you're getting it for $100. Really, really good price. So that's what I'm saying. Boost Mobile always knows about good deals, and this is talking about good deals. Let's talk about our sponsor, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that finds your best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Walmart, many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. Sorry, my little hair. So check that out, guys. So, but enough now of that. Let's go ahead and talk about the phone. So Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. This is probably one of the cheapest 5G phones that Samsung has. As well as Boost Mobile, at least at this price at $99. Of course, the phone retails for $250, but with $150 savings, instant savings too, no coupons or should I say no instant rebates, is really, really good. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So it says we've gone and done it. Galaxy A13 5G packs our core features into one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market, which is true. I was just saying that basically. What does that mean for you? Quick downloading and streaming virtually lag-free on an expansive and smooth display. Incredible video capturing and photos with a high-res triple camera. Wow, and enhanced storage that has room for all your favorite memories. Plus all-day connectivity with a long-lasting battery that charges up fast. Cool. So of course, this phone has a 6.5-inch display. It's a 50 megapixel camera. Whoa, I'm definitely gonna have to get this phone. 38 hours of talk time, 64 gigs of internal storage, and Android 12. Guys, all these specs and features sound way too good. I mean, for $100, it'd be dumb not to get this phone. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get this phone in a box for you guys. So here it is. So it does have a teardrop front-facing camera. So in the back, it does have the triple camera setup. So there's 3 cameras, as you can see, with a flash, really cool, and then Samsung logo in the back. So pretty nice phone overall. So it does look like, if you look on the right of the phone, it does look like it's a volume up, volume down, and it looks like a fingerprint sensor as well as doubles as a power button. So it's really, really cool. We really got to check that camera out, man. I'm not even kidding. 50 megapixels for $100. Crazy. So Samsung, of course, Galaxy A13 5G. It says Galaxy A13 5G is our most affordable 5G phone, offering you blazing fast speed and connectivity you need at a price you love. Press play and be amazed. Stream and play back in crisp edge-to-edge view. Pretty cool. It says modern style, practical function, a functional, durable design with a silky, smooth finish makes Galaxy A13 5G a simplistic delight. So like I said, I mean, the phone looks like any other A series phone, to tell you the truth. It looks like an A12, A02, just from the front. But the back is where it really shines. And you can definitely tell that the back cameras do protrude out quite a bit. So you probably want to get a nice case with camera kind of protection on there. Here's the 3 cameras we're talking about. Triple lens camera, countless possibilities. It says with a high-res triple lens camera system, Galaxy A13 5G gives you one of our sought-after cameras at a fraction of the price. So it has a depth camera of 2 megapixels, f2.4. The main camera is a 50 megapixel f2.2. Like I said, I kind of want to get it just for the camera. You know, I like to test out the camera and do a lot of stuff like that for you guys. And of course, 2 megapixel macro camera. So those don't really need too much megapixels or high resolution. The main one is the one you want. I mean, look at that big lens right there. You can definitely tell the lens versus these two smaller ones. That's a huge lens, man. Macro camera pays attention to the tiny details. So it's getting close with the 2 megapixel macro camera. Of course, that's for zooming in, get that really good, it applies a natural bokeh effect to your pictures, allowing your subject to stand out from the background. Bringing the focus to the front with depth camera. Like I said, it does look like the 2 megapixel depth camera lets you adjust the depth of field for your photos. So it's pretty cool. So you can actually control, how much bokeh you want. Like, that's a beautiful picture right there. With this model and stuff like that, you can see all that blur or bokeh. With a simple touch, you can easily fine tune the background blur behind your subject for high quality portrait shots that truly stand out. Now, of course, for this, you want good lighting. Of course, it's not going to really work in a dark environment. So something like this will definitely stand out and look really good. Front camera, stylish selfies. So this is one thing, it definitely focused all its megapixels or power, should I say, to the main camera, because this has a 5 megapixel front camera and bokeh effect as well. But I mean, 5 megapixels, for a lot of people to take selfies, you would want at least a little bit higher than 5. I would say at least, God, give us like 12 or something. So I said the main focus on this phone is going to be the rear camera. You can still take decent photos with a front camera, but it's 5 megapixels. You're not going to get too crazy with it. Now, something crazy about it is it does have a 5,000 milliamp battery. Gives you a long-lasting, fast-charging battery as well. To definitely need it all day. So it's pretty cool that they put the phone here, and it kind of reminds me of a clock saying it'll last, all day or something like that. So pretty cool and innovative. It's pretty cool, guys. Like I said, does have fast charging. We'll see how fast it charges. What does it charge at? 15 watts. What's up with that? So 5,000 milliamp battery, you definitely want fast charging, because it's going to take a long time to charge a 5,000 milliamp battery if you have a slow charger. Now, can't complain too much about these other specs. Of course, this has 64 gigs of internal storage. You can put a micro SD card up to a 1 terabyte, guys. 4 gigs of RAM, which is definitely plenty, I'll say. I'm kind of happy for the price, under $100. 4 gigs of RAM, does have octa-core processor. I believe it does not have a Snapdragon, especially for this price. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Does have, we get straight A's in security, of course, with, I believe it's called Samsung Knox or Knox Security. It does help you secure and just keep your phone better protected against other stuff. So it's pretty cool. And there we go. There's that fingerprint. Like I said, just by looking at that, it says unlock your phone with your fingerprint. So definitely really nice to have security like fingerprint instead of putting in code or a pattern or this and that. Use your fingerprint. I really like that, especially on iPhone you can do the face, but what I like about the fingerprint more is just with wearing a mask, you don't really have to worry too much about that. With fingerprint, of course you're using your hand. It says focus more with One UI Core, so that's just the new UI that Samsung's using. Not too much about that. It's new things that seamlessly switch apps and get information for multiple apps at once. Not too much to talk about there. And always Android experience. Of course, Android has the newest Android version on there, which is always good. Always at your service whenever. So you can always, you do have things that can optimize and do diagnostics on your phone, especially if you're a Samsung member through the Samsung member app. So it's pretty cool. Let's look at the specs. Like I said, 5,000 milliamp battery, talk time up to 38 hours. The phone battery is not removable, so just remember that. 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. It does have an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 700 MT6833. So like I said, I'm not too much of a fan of MediaTek. I like Snapdragon. It's just a way better improving processor, but hey, MediaTek for the price can't complain too much. Android 12. Of course, the cameras, like I said, 50, a 2 and a 2 triple rear camera setup. 5 megapixel front facing camera, 6.5-inch HD plus LCD, 90 Hz. That's another thing that they didn't even talk about it. It's an HD plus LCD display, so the colors aren't going to be super popping, but a 90 hertz display, guys, really good for gaming or watching videos. Pretty cool. Of course, does have Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB Type-C, and there's some fast charging. We're talking about 15 watts. I knew, this is the first time I'm actually reading these stuff. 15 watts fast charging. I knew, it'd be dumb if you didn't put fast charging with a 5,000 milliamp battery. And it is NFC compatible, so pretty cool. So, sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice. I gotta drink some water, so it's pretty cool. But overall, I don't know. I might have to pick this phone up, guys, and unbox it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do that. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way. Thank you so much, guys.